What's up? It's Cubing Networks. In this video, we have an unboxing for Amazon.com. So let's get into it. Okay, so here it is. This is the Moyu Aosu. I am really excited for this. I do have a Aosu, but that is failing on me. It is locked up and it's already gotten a big explosion and I don't know how to put it back together. So I'm really excited for this, yeah. So yeah, let's just open this up. So here is the pamphlet, which I don't want. And here it is. Again, the same stock Moyu shades, which I love, as most of you know. So it came in this wrapper. And just kind of get it out. Okay, wow. Feels nice. It feels a little smaller than the Aosu. The stickers seem smaller, but yep. So yep, let's do our first turns. Okay, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, this cube is amazing. Oh man. I love the feeling of this guy. Gosh, man. I don't know what to say about this cube. It is just amazing. It's like speed cubeable like I would. I'm able to speed cube with it like I would on a 3x3. Like, this guy feels sandy. It's like a broken and Fangshi V1. But I absolutely love this cube. Oh man, this guy is so nice. Oh gosh. Wow. So, yep. Stock Moyu shades, which I love. So, yeah. Oh, God. I don't think this is going to be having any popping problems. I'm able to speed cube like this, like I would with the 3x3. This thing is just amazing. Wow. Oh, my gosh. Yep. I can already tell you this is my main. So, yep, that's all I can say on the Moyu Aosu. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't already done so, you can follow me on Scratch and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.